Hey there guys, I'm NibletK. This is Joy, probably saw her in the box. We got some new unboxing things to do and I'm really happy about these ones. We got our BlizzCon goodie bag. Got some other Blizzard goodie stuff. Right. I'm still trying to figure out if the sound is good enough. I'll just leave it like that. If the music is too loud, deal with it. You're here for the cool shit, right? Now, I'm not gonna cut in here. I'm gonna cut actually the back, and then I'm gonna try to open it up, because I don't want to cut the sticker. I know, I'm just a nerd. I'm just a nerd like that. This is another kind of unboxing, so we're trying out different things. And Joy is always happy about unboxing things. Because, to be honest, she likes boxes. Now this is it. This is the BlizzCon, this year's BlizzCon goodie bag. It's wrapped in a nice cardboard with really cool looking art on it, as usual. And we just need to get inside of this thing. Just need to get inside. Open it up. Open it up. Opening it up. Joy, do you like it? Do you like it thus far? Huh? Do you think it's up to the Blizzard standards? I think you like it. I think you like it. You want to bite that, don't you? You want to bite that cardboard. We're gonna whoa! We're gonna jump in. First things first, we have our booklet. We're gonna see exactly what this thing has. I'm gonna skip through some of the pages at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And next, we have some more interesting cardboard that has to come out, and then we can jump really straight into what is that we have in here. Like I said, a little bit more cardboard, and then we can take all of this nonsense out. That's how it looks. That's how it's actually packed in there. Yeah, and now we have a Blizzard cat inside. She just loves cardboard things, doesn't she? She just loves any kind of cardboard. Look, in here. You can jump in there. Let's jump straight into the box. I'm gonna take out so you guys can see. So first things off, first things off, we have a little bit of cat hair in there. But that's not what I wanted to show you. We have our Heroes of the Storm Ravenlord Crest magnet. That's how it looks. So we got that. It is plastic, so it's not really like, it's good quality plastic. Looks really nice. We've got a huge magnet on the back, so you can really stick it to there. It's not gonna fall off. It's not so heavy. It's just perfect. Next, we do actually have our Diablo Classic figurine that I currently in this state cannot take out. I'll show you some more clips of it after I struggle with the, taking out of the box. Let's just carry on to the other things that I can actually show you guys. So next we have a StarCraft 20th anniversary pin. This thing is really high quality. It looks really cool. It has the double pin, so it's not gonna fall off as easily. And this one's metal, so it's a really solid pin. It really looks nice. That's how it looks. On the back we have the Blizzard collectible pins, Blizzard 2018, Blizzard Entertainment logos all over it. I just think this one, so this one actually looks really cool. 1998, 20 years till 2018 StarCraft anniversary pin. Next on the list we have Hearthstone, and this on first glance looks a little bit cheap, you know. It just looks like some cardboard cutouts, but they're actually refrigerator magnets, so to say. So now you can put them on anything that's metal. So these things are magnets. You have the Hearthstone logo, you have a card back, you have some emotes with well played, oops, greetings. You have the coin, some mana potion, which is awkward. No, that's not a mana potion, I'm sorry, that's dust. That is dust, you know, the stuff you need to create your cards with, and another small Hearthstone logo. Next on the list we have our Overwatch challenge coin, apparently. So this thing is solid metal. It looks a little bit busted up. You know, like the metal itself is not polished to an extent degree. It does have scratches in it. I think this could have been made a little bit better. It has a Blizzard Entertainment Incorporated China on its bottom. It's just a you know, cut out metal Overwatch sign. It's a coin, but it has some weight to it, so I guess you can use it as a paperweight. And on the back you have Live with Honor, Overwatch, Die with Glory. Good. And now that we're back to the last thing, which is our Champions of the Enemies of the. So that's what it says on it. And it is a keychain from World of Warcraft, and it has two sides to it, of course, Alliance and Horde. Each has its own thing on it, and it looks really cool. I'll show you guys how this thing looks up close. And like I said, lastly, I'm gonna show you the Diablo figurine, which I have to get out. Okay, getting this thing out of the box wasn't as easy as I thought. I was afraid of not breaking it, but this thing looks really cool. It has the really old Diablo 2, Diablo 1 feel to it. It's the classic Diablo figurine. It's a little bit small. They could have done it a little bit bigger, but you know, the amount of detail it has on it for its size is decent enough. It's definitely a nice figurine to have in your collection. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Now I did say there was another box from Blizzard, so check out the upcoming video if you want to see some more Blizzard goodies from this year's BlizzCon. You know, because BlizzCon had some specific things that you could buy in this Blizzard extravaganza event. And we ordered some stuff. We definitely ordered some stuff, and there's still some other stuff on the way. So yeah, check that out and enjoy the rest of the video where you're gonna see in-depth images, like I said, from the Diablo figurine and some images from the booklet. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.